Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. This is a Ronson Imperial Whirlwind. Ronson Whirlwind Imperial. Petrol lighter. Very good mechanism. I was excited to get this lighter. I was excited to see it in the auction when I bought it because my friend Daniel Nieves had commented on another video that I'd done, which you may have seen, about the Prince Vestal lighter. And I was a little ignorant. I knew that there was a Ronson lighter that employed the spring tension twist bottom fueling mechanism, but as I said, I was ignorant of the actual name, and Daniel commented in the below the video and informed me that it was the Imperial Whirlwind, which we have here. So I was also very excited about this being a leather wrapped lighter that looked like it was in great condition, and the second I pulled it out and rested it in my hand, the corner there broke off. So I don't know what to say about that. Unfortunate, for sure. And again, I'm not sure if that, it doesn't feel like, you know, I don't know if that's actual some kind of reptile skin or some kind of cheap leather made to look like reptile skin, or if it's some kind of plastic that I don't think it would have broke like that if it wasn't some kind of real leather, but I'm not sure that it's actually you know, snake or eel or whatever that's supposed to be. When I've seen these lighters in the past, just at first glance I thought they were butane lighters. I'm gonna have to go back clear and see. There may be some that I've missed. The mechanism I know I've seen on a lot of Ronson butane lighters. So it's a very good, strong mechanism. Has a lot of momentum to it. So like I said, it has the spring tension twist bottom. You're going to fuel down here. And at the same time then, you don't need a tool, a screwdriver to do the flint, because it's just got the twist screw type you're familiar with if you've seen those Ronson. Put those on a lot of the lighters, later vintage lighters. Oh yeah, and one thing that I really like about the original Ronson Whirlwind was the lift up windscreen, and I didn't realize it, but this one also has the windscreen on it. A little bit different. It's got vertical slots there. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. Like I said, I'm kind of disappointed about the breaking off that leather, so I may just use it. Seems like a good lighter. I'm not sure what the answer is. You know, I don't put anything on them when I get them. I don't, you know, I don't get any, I just wipe them down is all I do. But these were all pretty clean. I don't even think I really needed to wipe this one down. So I don't know what the answer is. I think sometimes the old material is just going to fail, or in this case maybe it was actually the adhesive that failed that then allowed the leather to dry out and crack and break. I don't know. Like I said, it's unfortunate because it seems to be intact and strong elsewhere, just right there along that seam. So I'm sure it's going to end up peeling here if I use it. So I don't know. Just talking to myself. It's nice and clean. A little bit of you know, residue down there. Nothing major. It doesn't have anything in the monogram spot. So if I end up selling it, that would be a plus if somebody wanted to get their name engraved on it. I do like the thought of people using the lighters that I sell. These lighters that you're seeing right now, most of them were bought at obvious collection, and I'm kind of disappointed that usually when I bought collections of that good of lighters, the flint tubes have been cleared out. This guy didn't particularly care about whether his lighters flint tubes were clear or not. Either that or I mean, it could have been a state sale maybe from someone who had passed a long time ago. I shouldn't be judging like that. Come on, Joe. All right. Subscribe if you like the channel. Please like the video that you're watching. Tell your friends about it. Hit that share button. Send it to them in an email or a text. And comment below, especially if you have any questions about the lighter that we've been discussing, or anything else for that matter. And also remember Dependable Flame and dependableflame.com on social media. That'd be Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, eBay. That's about it. So until next time.